Hi, hello, and welcome back. नहीं करेंगे इधर कुछ भी ऐसा cause I'm also that person who wants to know what's the main point, what's this video about. So today we are talking about something that affects every single one of us, no matter if you are a commerce genius, an engineering whiz, an artisty soul, or just someone like me trying to figure out life after college. We are talking about paisa. Now, for Gen Z and millennials like me, money often comes with a whole set of unique challenges, right? Like, on one hand, we're constantly bombarded with travel goals, latest iPhones, and that cool cafe aesthetic on our feeds. और दूसरी तरफ we're trying to figure out rent कैसे भरे यार? What's an EMI? Or can I even afford that weekend trip to Goa? But यार, you know what? It's like हमें सब कुछ चाहिए, financial freedom, cool experiences, and बिना पैसे के tension की life. But no one really taught us how to juggle all this. Schools में history पढ़ा दी, science पढ़ा दी, but how to not be broke by the 15th of the month? ये syllabus में था ही नहीं. Let's talk about the first rule of not being broke, which is so simple. It's almost funny how often we ignore it. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs. See, these two words, they look innocent, but they are the biggest decision makers for your wallet. I'm telling you guys, needs, like, yeah, those are non negotiable. The things you absolutely need to survive and function. Think of it like this: roof over your head, rent, EMI for your home loan, food in your stomach, groceries and basic needs, getting around like transport, bus, train, petrol for your bike and car, staying connected, basic phone plan, electricity, water, for hair like basic medicines, a doctor visit if needed, right? So these are your survival kit expenses. This must be covered first. Wants. अब ये आते हैं हमारे दिल के अरमान. These are the things that make life fun and comfortable, or just Instagrammable, right? That new pair of sneakers you saw online while scrolling, right? Every single weekend party with your friends and daily Starbucks coffee. Oh, हमारे city में Starbucks ही नहीं है. Oh, forgot that. Latest streaming subscription for all the OTT platforms. We think about the subscription, how to pay this kind of things. Eating out every single day because cooking is too much effort. Like for girls, it's too much. These are your nice to haves. You can totally live without them, but they definitely add swag to your life. The problem starts when we confuse our wants for needs, like that rupees 500 coffee every day. It's a want, not a need to survive. That's fancy new gadget, mostly a want. Your job literally depends on it, okay? Especially for us Gen Z and millennials who have grown up in this instant gratification world. We see it, we want it, and we buy it. FOMO. For parents who didn't know FOMO, fear of missing out, is real and it hits our wallets hard. We don't want to be the conju's friends, right? So here is your super simple MBA degree not required, guys. For that, I will give you a tip. The 50-30-20 rule. You know what? 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings for your goals. Keep it visually clean. This rule is your financial freedom. 50% of your income goes to your needs. Needs in that rent, basic food, and transport. 30% of your income goes to your wants. That coffee, dining out, new clothes, and subscription for your OTT series and whatever. Yes, you can still have fun. 20% of your income goes to your savings and future goals, emergency funds, and or even early investment start. By simply categorizing your expenses into these three buckets, you suddenly gain control. You are not cutting out all the fun, you are just putting it in its rightful place, okay? And that 20% of your savings, that's your ticket to actual financial freedom, where you are not just surviving but thriving. So, next time you are about to swipe that card, just take a second. Ask yourself, is this a need or a want? And then see if it fits into your 50, 30, or 20 rule. Trust me, your future self who's chilling on that Goa beach without a care in the world will thank you. If this made sense, I Priyanka Pandya, you want more such no nonsense videos but that finance gyan, then hit the like button, share this with your friends who might be struggling with their pets, and definitely subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Stay tuned.